my channel. Hey, so today we're doing glitter fades and a French, reverse French, that is. I'm burping my brush, getting all the bubbles out, and I'm putting it on fast mode because, you know, this video could be very, very long if it was on slow mode. So this is the color, and it's Glam and Glitz, and it's Sunset Paradise. And what I'm doing, I just thought this is a very awesome summer color, and it works great with glitter. So just basically getting a good bead, patting it out. I am using odorless monomer that I get locally here. It's called Jasmines, if you're wondering, but it just helps get the odor while I'm doing these demos. But I do switch over to Young Nails later on because I do like the consistency a lot better than the odorless. So anyways, I just have preferences for different things and different ways of doing stuff. But yes, so I'm now putting the glitter, and this one's called June Bride, and it's by Gelish, and super pretty, love it. But just fading it upward, patting it out, fading it upward. I loved how the way this turned out, super pretty. I will put all of the items in the description below so you guys can know what I used, and so you can use these colors too. This next one is Cover Peach. Just getting my bead, patting it out. I really love Young Nails products. They seem to flow very, very well. And for the glitter, I'm using Glam and Glitz Impulse. Oh, you guys, this is so pretty. Aqua color, deep blue. I don't know what to call it. It's just gorgeous. These two colors are like my favorite. I'm not kidding. It's so gorgeous together. Okay, this one is Never Enough Nude, and this color with gold glitter turned out amazing. Getting my bead. Okay, so I'm doing the reverse French nail with Young Nails Cover Pink, C&D Pure White, and C&D Clear. And I'm getting my bead. You just want it to run down the nail. And I should have got a little bit bigger bead. My bad. So I need to pick up another bead. Just kind of help it down the nail. I'm putting the nail at a downward angle and putting another bead so I can have a reverse French, and I will show you what to do next. So I am making a smile line with the Cover Pink, patting it and going under, making that smile line perfect, grabbing some monomer, making the smile line smile, pushing the edges up, just kind of going underneath a little bit so it can make a crisp smile line. Okay, and then when that's all ready to go for the next step, and you add the white underneath. Right snug up to it. Make sure it's not a dry bead, so it can get right underneath there and make that smile line crisp. And I just love the reveal of these. I will show you at the end how I file it. And here's the clear that we put on top. Just making it secure so we don't file too much and kind of make cloudy shadows in the white. We want to make sure we cover the white, and then we can file all we want on that smile line till it's crisp and clear and just looks really nice. So here we go. On filing it, I'm just doing it in downward strokes, mostly the smile line, and then you can go down further to the edge of the nail, the free edge. See how it's coming through? It's starting to look really crisp and clear. Not mixture French, reverse French. Such a great way to do things. I don't think they had this back in the day, and now they have it, and it's amazing. People really love the reverse French. Okay, just to recap, here's our reverse French with Cover Pink, Pure White, and Clear. We have our Never Enough Nude with our gold glitter that I mixed up, and Cover Peach, Young Nails, and Impulse, Glam and Glitz. and Sunset Paradise and June Bride. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe and like and share, and you keep watching these videos because they're very helpful to the hobbyist or the nail tech. So leave a comment below if you have any questions. Bye, guys.